How to create an account on Indeed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. First, open a web browser. Click search bar at top of your screen. Type in indeed.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will navigate to the official interface of Indeed. In order to create account, click Get Started button. Here you can easily create an account or sign in using Google, Apple, or even email address. So let's enter the email address for a demo and click on continue button. After that, you simply need to add and verify your phone number to continue. First, you can enter the code and the number and click on verify button. After that, you simply need to enter the 6-digit code that is sent to your phone number. Then click on submit button. And after the verification process has been completed, you simply need to choose whether you are creating an account for a job seeker or for employer. Once you have chosen, you can easily select the options from on your screen prompts and create your CV and search for a job. And that's how you can create an account on Indeed. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.